In the name of Allah, today we are going to make Afghani Bolani. For making that, we should first slice the colored greens and make round flours, and also slice boiled potatoes, and also slice onions. We take just 3 peppers, and also we take dry coriander and pickle, and also we take cayenne. Press it out. Let's throw a little onion in this. Then we take a spoon of pickle. After that, a spoon salt. And then cayenne. And also dried coriander. Now we take only fresh coriander, a half. Now we just pitch the lemon and this. Now we cut the pepper and throw it in this. Now we mix all these materials. Now we only a little oil, and we take cut the pepper and throw it in this. Now we take salt. Now pickle. Now we just make it flatten. Now it is flattened. Then we use a little bit oil for this pan. Now we use these materials like this, as you can see. Now we close. Now the oil is hot. We just put this boragi in this. And now we turn it to another side. Now it is fried. Now we use the colored greens and put all the materials like this. Now we are going to fry it. Now it's going to be fried. Now we are going to make Afghani wheat. For that we need yogurt, cucumber, salt, mint and also water. First we mix the cucumber and yogurt. And now we just throw the salt and mix it. Then we throw a little water. Add water. And then we add mint. And now kandari, boragi and also these sauces are ready to eat it.